I couldn't see the sunshine through the shadows. I couldn't seem to find a soul to care. And in the darkest hour, you touched me with your power. And when I looked, your light was everywhere. The light of a million mornings filled my heart. The sound of a million angels sung my song. I will sing forever of your love, oh Lord. I will celebrate the wonder of your name. For the love that you speak is a song of forgiveness and a song of gentle mercy and of peace. Let us wake every morning and be filled with your love and sing songs of praise all our days. For your love is as high as the heavens above us, and your faithfulness as certain as the dawn. I will sing forever of your love, O Lord. For you are my refuge and my strength. You who fill the world with your light-giving spirits, and your faithfulness are certain as the dawn.